Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to get a refund on Nintendo Switch eShop. So they don't make this easy. So the first thing you want to do is open up a new browser window and go to support.nintendo.com. It'll then ask you to pick or select your region. And again, some of these things may differ depending on what region you're in. So for me, I'm in the Americas here under English. So I'm going to go ahead and select that there. Then what you want to do here where it says search support, you want to go ahead and click into that search bar there and then just type in refund and then hit enter or search. And then the one link that you want to choose is the one that says refund request for downloaded game or DLC. Go ahead and click on that guy there. And then once you're here, it'll basically tell you to read this, let you know kind of what systems this applies to, what is eligible and not eligible for a refund. Also, if you are a parent, you may want to go into the parental controls option here. But for the purposes of this video, when you're ready to go ahead and start the refund process, at the very bottom, you'll see something that says, for additional assistance, please contact us. Go ahead and click on the blue contact us option here. And you're going to see 3 different ways that you can contact them. Now, from my experience down here below where it says contact support, I would always, if it's during the working hours, I would always call them depending on where you are, right? So if you're in the US or Canada, it's going to be this number. If you're outside, it's going to be this number. Just make sure you look at their hours of operations, which will be up here at the very top, 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific time there. And then call that number and try to chat with a person, an actual human, about getting the refund. And, you have to make sure that you have the transaction pulled up on your Nintendo account to have them verify and know kind of where you're at. But if you can't contact them via phone and you need to get a refund, you can start chatting with an agent, which I found this to be rather quick. The text one I would not do. I would just start chatting or call them if you're in the hours of operation, and you should be good to go. Now, a couple of things here about refunding something from the eShop. Processing will take a very long time. They're going to request a lot of information as far as like troubleshooting. Why is the game not working? Why are you trying to, refund this game? Also, you're not always going to get the refund. If you bought a game 6 months ago and you're requesting a refund now and they can see that you've played that game, you're not going to get a refund. The more recent that the game purchase was, the more likely you are to get a refund. So just make sure you're polite, explain the situation very clearly, and reference the relevant refund policy points, which if you want to know, you can go back here and you can see if it's been purchased, like the wrong game or a mistake or something like that, you may not get a refund. But if there's some technical reason why you need a refund, you can do that here. That's it. That's how you do it. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.